Hey, what up guys? It's your boy, me, and today we're going to be making some jorts. I'm going to be following the steps of Geoffrey James and Brian David Gilbert today, as they know how to make jorts. Now these bad boys I've had for a while. You know, they were nice jorts, nice JANTS. I bought them, but you know, the hole was pretty small on both, but you know, drinking and having fun and going out, you know, they just rip. They just rip and rip and rip. And so, you know, under the recommendation and tutelage of Brian David and Geoffrey James, I've never gotten any blood on these pants. I've taken them out. You know, we've had one last good time together. And now I just think it's time. So, I guess step one is to take them off. And we're going to go over the shoe here. We're not going to go over the shoe. Alright, so step one, remove the shoes. Step two, we're just dropping trail here. We're just doing it. Alright, then make sure you love, you nurture your jeans. One more time, your JANTS. One more time. Upon Geoffrey James' recommendation, I've already lined up a 4-inch inseam here, so I think we should be okay. Let's just, you know, line things up, make sure they're okay. One more, you know, you've done good. You've been good JANTS to me. We've had good times, good celebrations. Okay? But now, you've got to go. It's time. Oh, that ain't gonna work. That's why I stole these box cutters from work, because that would work. Alright, now let's do it. Yes. Yes, boy. Oh, give me the pants. 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 Alright. Nearly done here. Nearly done here. Nearly done. Oh, one leg. That's one leg. Now for leg number 2. Alright. Line it up again. Okay. Yep. And then we just give it the old choppy. See this there. And now we just got one little bit to go, and then we've got some friggin' jorts, which I'm excited for because it's summer and it's hot. Alright, we've done it. We've made jorts. We did it. Hell yeah. Bye. We did it.